Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about inserting images into Power BI. So for example, you could have a logo or you could have an image which you want to insert. So we learn how to do that. So let's start. I've got this Power BI file open here with me, and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I leave a link to the file name in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So let's start. So let's say I've got this file and I want to put an image on the header, which could be your company logo or which could be something else. So on the home tab, you go to the image and click on that. And then I've got this image saved, so I'll just open that. And it comes here. So I want to align it on my header, so I'll just move it and I'll increase the length. And you can see, so using images. So in this video, we learned how to insert images. You basically just need to browse and just insert it and then put it where you want it to be. You can use it to have consistent headers or logos in your Power BI file. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.